This is crazy kohlrabi, and if you mispronounce it and call it kohlrabi, I won't be offended. And I'm gonna kohlrabi my frittata. Oh yeah. And just like a cabbage, I'm not using the outer leaves, I'm using the inside, all the good stuff. And every frittata needs bacon. Yes, it does. And I'm gonna be using pea meal bacon. It's a little bit leaner, meatier, because it's from the loin. It's not as fatty or streaky as bacon from the belly. All right, this bacon's ready for the skillet. And while this bacon gets nice and crispy, every kohlrabi frittata needs some garlic, leeks, potato, and Spanish onion. Woo, there it is. Oh man, this bacon is smelling fantastic right now. It's probably ready to flip. Beauty. Look at those colors. While this other side gets crisped up and done, I'm gonna go into this pan with my potatoes and kohlrabi because they're gonna take a little bit longer to cook. Now, while this is cooking away and finishing up, check out my plethora of eggs. 8, that's right, no skimping here. Not only are eggs fantastic food and super good for you, they're the key to any good frittata, but there's one secret left. If you want a rich, fluffy frittata, you must add one thing. Velvety cream. This is gonna make your frittata next level. Hey, Mr. Herb Basket, I need some basil. Perfect. I have eggs, rich cream, and sweet basil, but of course it needs salt and pepper. Okay, this is all coming together. Check out this bacon. Oh, look at those nice dark little bits. It's exactly what I want. Big flavor in there. Bring that to the board. Oh, yeah. And like I said, big flavor. Look at everything that's left in that pan. That's all delicious bacon goodness. And this is what I'm gonna cook my leeks, my onions, and my garlic. They're gonna pick up all that bacon flavor. Yes, it's sizzling away already. But you know what? I like my frittatas a little fiery. So I'm going chili flakes. The best part about putting your chili flakes in now is as they cook down, they're gonna get more depth of flavor and lose a little bit of that heat. These little guys are gonna cook down in no time. So while that's happening, I'm cutting my pea meal bacon. Now, I know I've got basil in the egg mix already, but I want more herbs. Fresh thyme. So earthy and so floral. This is looking fantastic. I'm gonna get my leeks, garlics, and onions into the kohlrabi and bacon mix. Kohlrabi, bacon, leeks, onions, garlic, herbs, rich, creamy egg custard. Oh, you hear that? That's what it wants. Oh. Here's the deal. Once you start seeing the egg set up along that edge, this bad boy's ready for the oven. Oh, yes. Wow. Look at this frittata. Oh, it smells amazing. Okay, watch this. Ta-da! Oh, look at all the layers of goodness in there, and this is a nice big slice just for me. Yes. One final touch. Nice, fresh microgreens. Wow, that is good. Salty pea meal bacon and that crazy texture pop from that kohlrabi works so well in that rich custard from this frittata.